Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make MP3 format. First, let's understand what MP3 conversion entails. MP3 is a popular digital audio format that efficiently compresses sound files, making them much smaller while retaining good audio quality. This compression is incredibly useful for storing and sharing music or podcasts across various devices. We will explore the simple steps to transform your audio into this versatile format, ensuring your files are portable and easy to manage. Now, let's look at the tools you can use. You have two main options: dedicated desktop software or convenient online converters. Desktop programs often provide more control over settings and can handle larger files, working even without an internet connection. Online tools are fantastic for quick conversions of smaller audio clips, requiring just a web browser. Think about your specific needs and the type of audio you are working with to choose the best fit. Converting your audio to MP3 is a straightforward process. First, launch your selected conversion software or navigate to the online converter's webpage. Next, you will need to import the audio file you intend to transform. Once loaded, simply choose MP3 as your output format. You might also see options to adjust quality settings, such as the bitrate. Finally, click the Convert button and save your newly created MP3 file to your desired location. When converting to MP3, understanding bitrate is key to balancing quality and file size. A higher bitrate, like 320 kilobits per second, offers superior sound quality but results in a larger file. Conversely, a lower bitrate, such as 128 kilobits per second, creates a much smaller file, which is great for storage, but might slightly compromise audio fidelity. Choose a bitrate that best suits your listening preferences and storage capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.